Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today this is the second one of one of the vlogs. All around the beautiful places. Beware the monkey on the train. What the heck are you doing?
If you saw a monkey finger in the cycle?
Oh, that'd be weird.
Oh, and hilarious.
Dude, come to this other side.
Fine!
Jeez. Don't. Dude, stop. If you spare my tablet, I'll literally kill your head. Here, hold my tablet.
Okay.
Be so careful with it. And dude,
Yep.
there's a spider in the
Oh,
watery chalk. Why is it full of water and there's a spider right there? If you can see it.
I don't even know. I bet it's been drowning.
But it's like ground.
It's dead.
Ew. That kind of looks like a fake spider, but it isn't. Ew. Can I throw the chair in the pool?
Sure.
Wait, really?
No.
Oh.
I don't think Mom
Would allow that. I don't think Mama would allow that, mate.
would. Look at this. It's like paint. Like watery chalk is like paint.
I know.
Yeah. Like you do.
Likely story,
Instead
bucko.
of tiny
Tiny
children from China.
China. China. We're gonna go to China and go like, dude, freaking bugs are just walking across the water like, like we're going on a trip. I'm walking on this water. Little Einsteins. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now, cause
I'm going on a trip. Watch me and watch me whip. Do the job tonight. Went crazy. I went crazy, people. And you didn't even see it. Don't forget.
we know.
Don't forget to. Wait, no. Here, it's like this. Don't forget to vlog.
Don't forget to blog or vlog.
Booby booey.
Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum.
What the? Is that the Raper clown?
No, dude, it isn't a raper. I bet it's just like the killer clown.
Want me nanny, want me rip. Oh no, it's just a man. Dressed as a clown.
Okay.
With a knife and machete.
I got a machete. Got
You know
a
what a machete is?
Yes, it's a giant knife.
Yeah.
You've asked me this before.
Oh, whoops. Keep on forgetting.
You forgot your whole family.
I forgot who. Wait, who's Christian? I'm just gonna walk away. Like,
What the frick, my hair? Dude, did you notice I just got a haircut today? I got a trim. That means you don't notice me. You don't even look at me. I'm breaking up with you. Wait, what?
Good. Good.
Don't forget.
And now I can finally sleep on the swing.
Sleep on the swing.
Hey
Why
guys,
would you?
Want to sleep? Want to see me sleeping on the swing? Well, okay then.
Look at me. Look at me so well. I don't know what I'm doing to this camera. The camera thinks I'm ugly sometimes. Ooh, what do you think about my life?
I don't know.
Okay, then that means you don't even care about me. Bro, I need to get off this thing.
Okay.
But it won't stop. It's just gonna keep going and you're like, okay. And then you stop it.
I'm like,
I'm gonna get this piece of chalk and I'm gonna draw.
X marks the freaking spot.
X marks your mom because she's fat.
Game. Don't forget.
What'd you just say?
Don't forget to vlog.
No, you what before that.
It just broke in half. Nah, it won't break anymore. Except for when I do this. No, here, look at this.
You're not Cody.
Dude, look at this. Ah! Ah! I'm like,
Oh, guys. Hey, Kev, it's Doofy's the Dragon. And today, we're gonna be doing stuff. Bye.
So good. It'll make
What?
Felix's medals poop their pants instead of whipping.
Do you even know what pooping your pants means?
Yeah.
It means going like, bleh!
No, it means that you're stinky afterwards.
What?
You're sticky afterwards. So that means you're like this. I'm gonna touch that lady. They touch it and it's like, I can't get off. I know, right?
I don't know if I can upload this video. Really? You're like, really?
Hi.
I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I'm in this vlog here. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. Bye.